guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. Today I'm going to give you guys hair tips and tricks that you can throw into your everyday routine, but these are going to be very realistic hair tips. The whole goal is to be able to have healthier, stronger, and shinier hair. So if your hair is dry, dull, just blah, same. I went through this phase where I was just like, I need to change something, but I don't want to put in that much effort, honestly. So I wanted to incorporate like really mild changes in my routine. I feel like there's so many things we're asked to do as women in the beauty industry that it's just like, it can be very overwhelming. And the last thing I wanted was to add like a 10-step hair routine just to make my hair look like it's shiny and normal. So anyway, I came up with a list of 5 things that are super easy to incorporate into your regular routine that you already do and are just really good tips to help promote healthier hair. All right, so let's just get into it. Okay, tip number 1, I cannot stress enough how important this is. Cut back on how often you wash your hair. I used to wash my hair every day or 2 for years, like literally every day and sometimes every other day. Now I wash it 1 to 2 times per week. This basically lets your natural oils in your hair do what they're supposed to do, which helps reduce frizz and breakage. Washing your hair too often actually dries out your scalp and promotes frizz and breakage. So basically just wash it less and you're going to thank me. I would say 1 to 3 times a week is enough. It really depends on your hair type. Just for reference, I have thick, coarse hair, like very coarse strands. They're not smooth naturally. And my hair is natural. There's no color applied to it at all. The texture is wavy. So I know that some people have natural oils build up more quickly than others. For me, 1 to 2 times a week is perfect. But I also recommend that when your hair is getting a little bit more oily and you're like, oh, I need to wash it, but it's only been 3 days or so, try the slick back bun look. Like it's literally such a hack to go a day without having to wash your hair. Push it that extra day and do that like nice slick back bun or ponytail look. I think those are like so chic and so in right now. All right, so tip number 2, use a good shampoo and conditioner. Invest in the good stuff, do your research and get the kind that actually is good for your hair. And when I say invest in the time it takes to research, because what I'm using right now is actually like ridiculously affordable. Right now I'm using a strengthening shampoo and conditioner set with biotin and rosemary mint, which feels super fresh on my scalp without being harsh. This is so important because you need a healthy scalp that's balanced, and this helps keep your hair healthy, which helps with hair growth. I'm using the California Gold Nutrition strengthening shampoo and conditioner. So these products are amazing. What I really like about the conditioner is it actually hydrates my hair and it doesn't leave me feeling greasy or like weighed down. So often I use conditioner and I like rinse it all out, I swear. But then it's like my hair is dry and I'm like, ugh, I can still kind of feel it sticky in there, like just kind of greasy. And then I feel like I have to wash my hair even quicker because it's greasy. So using the right conditioner will also enable you to do step 1, which is wash your hair less. So a good conditioner should leave your hair feeling soft and manageable and not greasy or flat. Trust me, I've used way too many conditioners, so I definitely know when I found a good one. I got my shampoo and conditioner from iherb online, and I'll link it down below for you guys. Okay, so now for tip number 3, how you brush your hair matters. So try brushing from the bottom up. This definitely makes a difference in detangling your hair. Even if you don't use detangling spray, this is going to be so much easier to comb through your hair. And what it does is prevents your ends from breaking off. I've actually been doing this since I was a little girl, so this is a tip that I live and die by. And since my hair is naturally coarse and wavy, it actually tangles incredibly easily. So this is a tip I live by. All right, tip number 4. So about once a week, I do a deep conditioning hair mask, and this has been honestly like one of the more recent changes into my hair routine, but it's made a really big difference. My hair needs a lot of hydration, especially since it's dry and coarse, and like it just kind of builds back that nutrition that your hair needs. This mask has been my favorite lately. It's actually also from iherb, but it doesn't leave that weird film on your hair after you rinse. It rinses out really well and leaves your hair feeling like very soft and luscious and like very detangled. This is the same brand, the California Gold Nutrition. It's a hair mask. So also affordable, also from iherb. I'll link it below. So we're gonna leave this in for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. All right, and now for tip number 5. This is one of those things that I used to skip all the time and honestly still do sometimes, but I cannot stress enough how important it is. Like when I skip it, I notice a difference and I notice my hair feels drier and like you can visibly see my ends splitting. So don't skip this step, please. And that is use a heat protectant product. If you're styling your hair with any kind of heat, a straightener, curler, blow dryer, anything, like please use a heat protectant prior to styling. It just protects your hair. It's so easy. Just spray it on and then style after. And honestly, it should be a non-negotiable because it just makes the world of a difference. Like your ends of your hair feel so much healthier. Like you're not frying your hair with that heat. All right, now I'm gonna give an extra little tip number 6, but this is one I've only done research on and I haven't implemented into my routine yet. So full disclosure, I recommend it based on my research, but I'm not going to say that I've done it myself and have seen results because that isn't true. So my friends literally are raving about satin pillowcases. This is something I definitely need to get, but apparently it's like really good for your hair and like prevents your hair from breaking off like while you sleep, and also reduces frizz. So you know when you wake up and your hair is like matted in the back, or like if you're a side sleeper, it's like kind of has that like gross little mat there. A satin pillowcase is supposed to like prevent that from happening, therefore leaving your hair even shinier. Anyway, just wanted to throw that tip in there in case you wanted to try it. And if you already do it, leave a comment and let me know what you think. So yeah, nothing fancy, nothing crazy to change your routine, but just a few simple tips to help with hair growth, help with that like natural shine that your hair is supposed to have, and to prevent breakage. If you want to try the iHerb hair care I mentioned, I'm gonna link everything below, including a discount code for you guys to check out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful or fun to watch, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I post videos about beauty, fashion, and travel vlogs, so I would love to have you here. All right, have a wonderful day or night or sleep or vacation or whatever you're doing. Bye!